Hey guys, it's Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to use Spot Stuff to take old stains out of your clothes. You can even take out old stains that have already been washed and dried. Let's check it out. I'm thinking it's cooking oil or maybe some bacon grease splatter. I have no idea, but it doesn't matter because I've got the Spot Stuff to take the stain out. Now, one of the really cool things that I had mentioned before about Spot Stuff is that it can take even the oldest stains out, even stains that you've already washed and dried. So I have no idea how old the stain on my dress is, but it doesn't matter. Regardless, Spot Stuff can get it right out. So maybe you have some mystery stains on some of your favorite clothes in your wardrobe. You don't know how they got there, when they got there, that's fine. A good way to check and see if it is actually an oil and grease stain that Spot Stuff could work on is to see if the stain has gone all the way through the fabric. So that's a quick, easy way to know. Just gonna sprinkle it. I got it all over the place here with that grease, so I'm gonna really sprinkle it on heavy. So maybe you've already washed and dried your item. Again, that's totally fine. You can still go ahead and use the Spot Stuff, leave it on after you've rubbed it in for about 5 minutes, and then simply brush it off into a garbage can, onto a tray, whatever you have, and then either set it and forget it and wear it and be on your way, or you can throw it in the washer and dryer again. Spot Stuff, taking the spots out of your stuff.